If you've ever wondered how to request a refund for an item on Amazon, in this video I will guide you step by step on how to do that. First, you want to open any web browser and head over to amazon.com. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the option of returns and order. Here click on the orders tab. Now, all of your recent orders will be displayed. Keep in mind that not all items can be returned for refund, so this process works best for items that were delivered within the last month. For example, if you wanted to return an item such as a pair of socks, click on Return or Replace Items. Then you'll see a button for Continue. That won't be clickable until you select a reason for return. Choose from options like defective or too large, and you will also be able to leave a comment explaining the issue. Next, Amazon may offer you the option to exchange the item for a different size or color, but you simply want a refund. Select Refund to your Amazon balance. Now click Continue and follow the on-screen prompts to complete your request. Remember, you must order the item to receive your refund. Amazon requires you to send the item back either to an Amazon return center or by mailing it using a prepaid return label. Once Amazon receives the returned item and verifies the return, your refund will be processed. If you bought the item from a third-party seller on Amazon, the process may vary slightly, but these steps will work if Amazon was the seller. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.